tiganko rega abu ntebe gaki bwana DG buno konyagocha into we want to work together with you. We want to support the county government. We want to ensure our governor succeeds. Igotogo sabaiga gaki tebi governor, we love him and we want to work with him. Nerato ikangega buno mo MCO itateba Amos atarego chaiga achato tebia mangana maaya nebintato konye mae kenyoro na abana baitumbare ma chiga sinchire bagwa apply gari county mwana buna Geoffrey Matundro apply all the time no any interview atari kurangeru yet we know he really qualifies. So we request that na into abana kurunka abanyorama baga banyago tokorere gasi bakorera bana inchi gasi elio moerio ni maite squeezing kumera nale na William Ruto ka kimotebie atebi William Ruto apunguze kunyanyasa wa Kenya ka kibono gosono boli mongo teba William Ruto tunataka serikali yake ifaulu, lakini anatugandamiza na ushuru na kubadilisha vitu kadha wa kadha ku NHIF gochi Social Health Authority SHA eyu etari gokorega asibaminto osebo nona kimogo teba igoga kimotebio mugavano ito ekerago ikera bari barugoraria abatebie abanainchi baye kuruga igo bagosaba Ruto nera apunguze obote boria bwate bebeseria yo ushuru eria koira naende bati gotorentera bune esadaka baire ngora baminto batunyarire mbiamono bwana DG karibu na upeleke salamu zetu kwa gavana na nasema pole sana tena kwa familia. Mwenyezi Mungu aendelee kufariji na abantu baminto banyatieko togendre kubwaterana mumaito mo chairman ono CDF no ndu sitiga. We will continue to work together. May God bless all of you. Mbiamono.